today I'm going to do a campground review on Cross Creek RV Resort in Delaware, Ohio. As you turn into the drive at Cross Creek RV Resort, they have a station here where you check in so they can open the gate for you. As you drive into the entry of Cross Creek, you go straight up and the office and store and everything is on your left. So when you check in, you come into the office and check in at the front desk, and the store is to your left. So here is the store at the resort, and they have just about everything you could need as a camper. They have toys and clothes and food supplies and RV supplies. So when you check in here, if you need anything, be sure to come check out the store for snacks or souvenirs or camping supplies even. Look at this cool swing. Love it. They have restrooms and the laundry room through here. Here's the laundry room. Looks like they have nice new washers and dryers. They also have a couple of these 4-person rental bikes you can borrow and use. Here is the swimming pool, and it is huge and absolutely lovely. This is fun for the whole family. They have lots of lounge chairs and places to relax and have a day in the sun. This is the fun playgrounds for little ones. There's all sorts of play structures and little houses to play in, a lot of fun. And look, it's Noah's Ark play structure. They have a large covered area for groups, and it does look like they have a TV screen and other stuff to use with outdoor barbecues. There's a Central Park-like area here next to the pool, and there's a sand volleyball. There is shuffleboard and bocce ball courts. Oh man, this looks fun. They have a giant thing they pump up, a jumper to play on for the kids. A nice area for cornhole. They have 2 sets here. That's pretty cool. Basketball court. Nice little area to sit and have a campfire at night. And they have a tennis court that can also serve as pickleball if you play that. And look at the American flag. Yay, American pride. There's a little covered area off the patio, and they have some tables and chairs, some little game and toy things for the kids. There's additional parking if you have guests come visit you. So Cross Creek is a pretty large park. They have a lot of travelers, and they do have scattered in full time, it looks like. The sites at Cross Creek are really nice and large. They have pull-through and back in. And they all have nice shade trees and green grass, patios. Just a really nice campground. For the kids, they have a mining, panning for gold station. They also have mining for special rocks that they've placed in here. So the kids can come down here and pretend like they're miners. And have a photo opportunity, it looks like. The sites are 30 and 50 amp, full hookup. The streets are paved and the sites themselves are gravel. There's lots of nice trees. And there we are. So you can see we easily fit with our 5th wheel truck, and there's plenty of additional room. So I hope you like this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to Jeff and Steph's Excellent Adventure. Safe travels. We hope to see you guys on the road.